Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 24th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry through Friday. Some rain at times this weekend, and a pretty good cold shot coming down the pike about the time February gets here. So let's dive in there and talk about it. We'll start with the upper air look, as we typically do. A little trough is passing north of the state, but the air is very dry. There's the visible satellite view. And you can see the northern half of the state clear. Some high cirrus clouds over South Alabama, but even there the low levels are very dry. Temperatures right where they should be for the 24th of January. Highs in most places between 50 and 55. Fort Payne, the cool spot, they've got 48. And we'll see another freeze tomorrow morning. Lows mostly between 28 and 32. Around the nation, the coldest air up north. And again, this number is pretty seasonal for late January. No Arctic air involved for now. Watch warning map, got some winter weather issues in the northwestern states. The eastern half of the nation very quiet today. And precipitation through Wednesday of next week for the next 7 days. The big numbers, the upper Pacific coast. And the Gulf Coast looking fairly wet. This is suggesting parts of South Alabama could see 1 inch or more. About 1/2 inch for the northern counties of the state. And again, our next chance of rain will be this weekend. Not a washout, but rain at times Saturday and Sunday. Let's check it out, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Troughing moving off the northeast coast, new trough in the Pacific Northwest. A northwest flow aloft here, and a very dry air mass. Surface high right on top of us. We start the day around 30. The high should be in the upper 50s. This is Friday. Early morning lows around freezing again, but the high should be in the low 60s. And again, the sky mostly sunny. Now, Saturday, moisture begins to return, but again, it looks like the bulk of the rain might hold off until Saturday night or Sunday. We can't promise much of the day Saturday dry, but it's beginning to look that way. And we'll be in the low 60s, the sky mostly cloudy. Some chance of rain maybe by mid to late afternoon. This is Saturday night. A surface low is down in the Gulf, a little wave down there. And then Sunday, that might be the wettest time. That surface low in the Gulf is approaching Tampa Bay. So again, for the weekend, maybe the better chance of rain Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday, the high would be around 60. With a surface low passing south of here, no risk of any severe weather and probably no thunder. And again, for our end of the state, rain amounts about 1/2 inch. We'll check the European just for confirmation. Pretty similar. This is Sunday at midday. A little slower with a surface low down in the Gulf. But again, clearly, we'll target Saturday night and Sunday as the best chance of rain this weekend. Go to Monday. Very typical weather for the end of January. Cool and dry, highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s. Same deal Tuesday. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 31st of January. Troughing in the northwest. We have a southwest flow aloft here, but the air's still dry. We might touch 60 by Wednesday of next week. Let's keep going. This is Thursday night of next week at midnight. This is late night of the 1st of February. A surface cold front approaching. Moisture surges in. That's our next chance of rain. Maybe some thunder with that feature. Not so sure we see any severe weather. There's no deep surface low with that. And then Friday of next week. This is the second. Much colder air blows in here. The rain ends. And again, there might be a snowflake on the backside of this if this verifies, but would not be much of a big deal. Let's check the ensemble output of the European. This is what you do when you're looking at something 10 days away. The European has 51 members, the ensemble, and only about, 8 or 9 of the 51 show anything, and the ones that do, it's very light and insignificant. So at this point, that's no big deal. The big deal is the cold. This is the following day, Saturday, the 3rd of February. Deep trough over the east, a cold, dry air mass, and the anomalies. The greens, temperatures 10 to 18 degrees below average. We'll check the numbers coming off the ensemble, and again, you can see the drop around then. They've got highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s. Might be a bit colder than that. Typically, as you get closer, you'll see these numbers coming on down if indeed an Arctic air mass is coming in. So looks like that'll be the next shot of pretty cold air coming in here that first weekend of February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.